Hi guys, this is Giacomo from Italy, and today we are going to answer a question we have been asked since the beginning of this job. Will an airbag deploy if the steering wheel spacer is installed on the car and it's going to make an accident? We've been asked this since years and years, and there is no reason it's not going to explode, because when you install it, all the original connectors and electric wires inside the steering wheel are reconnected to their sockets, and so they still work after the installation. But I took advantage of this question coming from people to show how safe is our product. So inside our facility, not on a public road, we set up a homemade crash test. We bought two cars from the market, two cheap cars, full working, but at the end of their life, and we equipped both of them with the steering wheel spacer. I'm gonna drive this one, a Renault Clio, the first car on which I developed the steering wheel spacer from, and I took a spacer from the warehouse. It was destined to be sold to people online. We install it. I will wear up all the technical clothes we'll need normally that I use for racing. This is a homemade crash test because we don't have all the money of big car manufacturers, so we try to make things as close to real life as possible. Two cars that crash each other. So now we are going to do this crazy thing, and after this we are going to tell you what's happened after the crash. Okay, as you can see, this is a normal car, normal Renault Clio. This is a 1.2 liter diesel, and this is the steering wheel spacer. We already installed it, and we are going to see two things on this test, because on the Clio the airbag wires are not long enough to be reconnected to the airbag after you install the spacer, so we had to cut and extend them. So we are going to see two things. One, how safe the steering wheel spacer is, and if it holds the airbag functionality, and if the airbag will still deploy despite its wires have been extended. And there are more cameras, so we will see it from more different point of view, and I will also wear some strong glasses and the helmet to protect myself from whatever will came out from the steering wheel. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the car I'm going to crash. I call this the target car, and this is a Fiat Punto, a typical Italian car, and this is a dummy, a mannequin. I couldn't afford the true one they use in the crash test, so I bought a fake one. His name is Ugo, like a famous, like Fantozzi, a famous Italian film, and the car is fully working, and I keep it with the steering wheel spacer here, because I also want to check if the airbag works when you are stopped, for example, at the traffic light. Somebody does not respect the red and hits you while you are sit there waiting for your turn. The car is fully working. We also are a bit sorry to destroy a working car, but I wanted to do this test in normal conditions. So a car taken from the market, still with its car plate, and it will stay here with the engine on, and we'll see what will happen. On the rear of the car there are some trash, something to bump the heat before the wall on the back. and we are inside a safe area, closer to the traffic, and we'll see what happens. And okay, I hope it will be still alive and wake up enough to talk and let you know describe what's going on. Bye bye, ciao. Pronti via? Okay, the test went, I think, good. On the target car, both airbag deploy. You see there? The steering wheel spacer is still there. The steering wheel has a bit rotated. The car went up. He's safe. I don't know how fast, which speed could I reach. It was full second gear, and the car has poor performance. Is a diesel, a pretty leggy engine, and from the inside I didn't feel anything that hurt me. I don't feel anything on my neck, you see, and there are no warning lights here, and the car still works. I can still drive it to move it away from here. And I want to check with Renault, asking at which speed, which is the minimum speed at which the airbag deploys, and if there are specific conditions at which the airbag has to deploy. What I can see from here, of course I damaged the bumper, the headlights, but I did not yet hit the radiator. If I turn on the car, there is no smoke, no leakage. Okay, so I am a bit disappointed because I would prefer if also this airbag explode, but from what I felt from the inside, the heat was not strong enough. I should repeat it with another car at higher speed. So I have to find another place with more room to get to at least go full third, at least 50 kilometers per hour. I did a bit some speed test before doing the final hit, and inside this land I could barely reach 40 kilometers per hour from the instrument, which normally cars have a speedometer 10 kilometers more than reality. If you GPS measure the speed is like maybe 30 kilometers per hour, which is 20 and something miles per hour. So maybe it's too low. And also because I did not know where I was going to, what's going to happen, I moved the whole seat backward to stay far, but maybe this didn't help. So let me check and let you know. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.